Hi people, this is Gus GH. Today I'll show you how to write January both in English and Korean. Let's write the English one first. Alright, this is January in English. Let's write in Korean. Alright, this is January. That's 1월. 1월. In Korean, we don't have certain words for first month, second month, third month. We have number, and 월 means month. Yeah, so 1월. And it repeats. So you just changed the number. So February 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월, 10월. Stuff like that. It's kind of easy, right? It's easier than English because English is kind of tricky and difficult because they have certain names for each month. All right, thank you very much for watching the video and have a great day. Bye bye.